So I want to show why we ended up stripping this isolele to bare metal. We saw some lumpy bodywork and rust bubbling through around the headlights, started sanding, and we found 1/2 inch of Bondo. Well, 1/2 inch Bondo led us to strip it, and this is what we found. This is a collision damage and rough metal patching. And so this patch, see this big bump here, this is how much Bondo they needed to fix it. Turn it over, Ray, so they can see what happened. So the people in the old body shop, they slapped this filler on, and then they painted the car, and it apparently wasn't good enough, because then, look at that.
You got a wire right there.
They painted the car, and it was still not smooth, so they laid on another 1/4 inch of Bondo and painted again. And so it's just kind of, it's the kind of trial and error bodywork that we associate with discount body shops, not high quality car builders. But, you know, again, that's what people did in the 70s and 80s fixing these cars. That was good enough, because these were not cars people preserved forever back then. They were just cars. And luckily today we see them differently.